Alright guys, in this video we'll be creating these subcategories in the project. I don't want all these categories in my project. I just want the main ones. So let's start. Let me create div. Alright, inside this container let's have all the categories. What shall it be? C++. So let's have five categories. C++. Arduino. AutoCAD. Katia. And let's give microcontrollers. Let's see how they look. Alright, they're just listed like this. I just want in the center, and there should be some space in between all these. So we can do that using the CSS. And since we gave a class for each of these items, it will be much easier for us to style it. So let's go to CSS. We don't need the color. We need the dates. Alright, category. So let's make it text align center. Let's increase the font size a bit. So font size to 1.2 million. I think that is good. Yeah, I think it's fine. So for the spacing between this, we can use see, I've given a class for each category called categories. So select that and give it padding of left of 2% and padding right of 2%. Yeah, let's give it 5. Yeah, I think it will work. And I need a spacing between the navbar and this. So let's give the padding top. Like 2%. Oh, sorry. We should not give padding top for this. Let's give it to category. Let's make it 1. Alright, I think this is fine. And let's just add a line below this. So just go to room.html and HR. HR is just a horizontal line. Yeah, I think it will work. And we should make it navigatable. So to do that, just add an A class before the scan. We can give it we should give it an extra. So we don't need to move it anywhere for now. Just copy it. Yeah, I think it will work. So yeah, that's it for now. See you in the next video.